And here it is, everyone. The Zlin 142 aerobatic, made in Czech Republic by Moravan. One of the finest European aircraft ever made. Still is being made in limited quantities to selected buyers. For those who enjoy the technology that has been perfected for many years. It's one of the finest flying platforms you can have, and not to be ashamed of inadequacies that may occur in other types and makes of models. This has a precision, balanced ailerons, completely balanced throughout. What can I say more about this airplane except it's the finest aircraft ever made?